Welcome to my lesson with Miss Kirst. Today we are learning about the weather. What is the weather like today? What is the weather like today? What is the weather like today? I don't know what the weather is doing outside. What's the weather like today? It's windy! It's windy! Oh no! It's windy, everyone! It's foggy! It's foggy! It's foggy! It's foggy! It's foggy! What's the weather like today? It's sunny! It's sunny! Wow, it's sunny! Boah, it's sunny! It's sunny! The sun is shining! The sun is shining! The sun is shining! The sun is shining! What's the weather like today? It's frosty! It's frosty! Oh no! It's very frosty! It's frosty! Everyone, I'm frozen! Oh, it is so icy! It's frosty! What is the weather like today? It's cloudy. It's cloudy. And it's overcast. It's overcast. It's overcast. And it's cloudy. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? What's the weather outside? It's a thunderstorm! It's a thunderstorm! It's a thunderstorm! What's the weather like today? Snowflakes. Snowflakes everywhere. Snow. What's the weather like today? It's snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing everywhere. Look outside. It's snowing. It's snowing. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? What's the weather at the moment? What is the weather doing? It's raining. We need an umbrella. It's raining. We need an umbrella. Look at all this rain. It's raining. We need an umbrella. Oh no. What is the temperature showing? What is the temperature showing? What is the temperature showing? Hey, what's the temperature showing? What's the temperature showing? What is the temperature showing, dear? It's very cold. The temperature is 0 degrees. It's very cold. The temperature is 0 degrees. What is the temperature showing? It's fairly warm. It's fairly warm. It's fairly warm. It's fairly warm. What is the temperature showing? The temperature is 15 degrees. The temperature is 15 degrees. The temperature is 15 degrees. What is the temperature showing today? What is the temperature showing? It's very hot. It's 40 degrees. It's very hot today. It's 40 degrees. It's very hot. It's 40 degrees. Do you remember all those? What's the first one? What's that one? How do you say that in English? Yes, it's snowing. It's snowing. Well done. What is the weather like today? It's foggy. It's foggy. What is the weather like today? It's a thunderstorm. Whoa, it's a thunderstorm. What's the weather like today? It's windy. It's windy. What's the weather like today? It's sunny. It's sunny outside. The sun is shining. These weathers are only when it's happening right now at this moment. So you look outside the window and you see this weather now, what is happening at the moment. Okay? It's happening now. Alright? What's the weather like today? It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. What's the weather like today? It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining, dear. What's the weather like today? It's partly cloudy. It's partly cloudy. It's partly cloudy. What's the weather like today? It's frosty. It's frosty. It's frosty. It's frosty. What's the weather like today? But now the weather forecast for the United Kingdom. We look in the far north. You can see it's 22 degrees. Going down south, we have got a mere 21 degrees. going down to Dover, you can see the sun is shining and the clouds are going partly past. Therefore, it's 24 degrees. We've got in the Midlands 23 degrees with some sunshine, and for the rest of the UK, we can say it's very good weather. The temperature in London is 15 degrees. The temperature in London, where's London? There's London, is 15 degrees. We have got in Athens, we've got 26 degrees and 36 degrees in Nicosia. Okay. Now, children, your job is to write sentences, 5 sentences, 5 sentences about the places in the world. So you choose some places here. This one, I don't mind, whichever. There's Berlin, by the way. There's Stockholm. There is Vienna. Vienna is Wien. Vienna. Bern. Athens. Madrid. Lisbon. Well, Lisbon. And you write 5 sentences about the weather. So here I've put an example. The temperature in Bern is 13 degrees. It's sunny in Burgas. So that would be 2 sentences already. So choose some sentences and write them down in your work, in your book, with date and your sentences. All right? So don't forget the date. Okay, bye-bye everyone.